people, how are you doing? Najua mmeni-miss. Nimewa-miss pia sana. So as you can see, all these things are here to tell you that today we are getting in the kitchen. Unaona my guests here all set up. You can guess what we are cooking today. So guys, from the ingredients that you've seen, I'm planning to make what do we call it? Guy, kizungu inapotea. Vegetable rice, alafu stew ya chicken stew. So this pan is heating here. I want to start with the chicken, then I'll do the rice later. I've shown you the ingredients that I have set there. The chicken was marinated for like an hour with just very few spices because I don't have enough spices in the house, but I used what I have. I have a rosemary leaves, I have garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger. Then I added mixed spices, which I'll show you what. Let me get that kanini. Mixed spices niwaoneshe. Here it is. Yeah, olives. Then what else did I add? Salt. I marinated with salt too. And what? I'm forgetting the ingredients, but basically those are the main things that I've put. I don't have a lot of spices. Alafu staki munione because niko na matuta manze. Just allow me to be behind the camera as you watch me cook. Alright? So the pan is heating. I'm going to add oil. Then kitunguu. Hivyo I'll be showing you every step. Let's go!
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright.
Tomatoes, baby. I blended them. Well. Look at that. What? Wow. Tell me you're not salivating. Just tell me you're not salivating. Let me tell you, Maina, let me tell you. Uzito. Nameza tu mate yani. We? Now here is my rice. I added a little of soy sauce for that color. The vegetables are carrots and green peas. Then a piece of hoho. Where? Onion too. Man. Mi nakwanga nimeweza. Alafu I tried garnishing. Then nikatoa. Because it didn't work. Then let me know, guys. Do you garnish your food? Do you show your culinary skills kwa nyumba? Let me know in the comments, please. But in the meantime, tukule tu kwa macho, oye. Akiwa oye, tukule tu kwa macho. We, wacha tu. And not today is another day. Tunatengeneza crepes. Ama zinaitangwa nini? Pancakes. Anywho, don't tell me my pan is beat. It is not beat. Tafadhali. It is mine. I love it that way. Lakini pia nikipata dona, sitakata. Pan mpya. Ndachukua tu. So anyway, after you pour that solution, I don't know what to call it. It is not dough. I don't know what we call that. Is it paste? I don't know. Thin paste. When you pour it on the pan, let it dry. Then turn over. This one I didn't allow it to dry well because it hasn't even turned brown. So we will be forced to turn again. And I'm using a tablespoon because it is my house again. I make the rules. I added some oil also. Alafu kakishaiva. Now I have turned it, and as you can see, the results. Simamatini mnoma. Hai. By then waulize wababa. Hawa mama wenu wanajua kupika ama kazi yao tu ni urembo. Alafu wanaingia TikTok kuimba. Na ile ingine. Ile wanasemanga. My baby, my Valentine. If you leave me, I can't die. Umeachwa mara saba na unjakufa. Trevon. But this is good. I think it's good. Let me know. Is it beautiful? Does it look delish? Is the presentation somewhere or negote? And now another meal. We started from the kitungu being ready. I've not shown you the preparation and all, but now once the kitungu is ready, we are adding the beef. Today is beef day. We are adding the beef. We let it cook. Itoe maji, it soften. Cook with the kitungu alone and salt only. Then cover it. After that, we're adding the tomatoes. I didn't blend them this time round. I just chopped them big pieces, but they are nice type. There are those types that just softens when you cook, but there are those that just remain standing. Those ones that you just have to blend. So you stir, leave it to soften. I reduced the heat there. Now the gadufu is because Mr. T doesn't eat dry food, so we just had to consider him.